Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix GCash app auto close. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, if GCash is auto closing on your mobile device here, there are a few things that you could do. So first things first is you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of GCash. Now you want to go and visit Google Play Store here and you want to search for GCash. Now, if you do see an update button on it, go ahead and click on it and wait for the update complete. Now, once the update is complete, you can go ahead and open it up again. Now, another thing that you can do here is you want to go ahead and clear your cache. Now, in this case, look for GCash, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon at the very top left here, and you want to click on clear data at the bottom right here, and click on clear cache and OK. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, another problem why GCash is auto closing here, there are some settings that you might have it turned on. Now, in this case, if you've actually turned on your developer settings, well, in this case, you're using developer options, well, in this case, this will actually prevent you from using GCash due to their security reasons. Now, in this case, what you need to do is you need to look for your settings here. You want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here until you see additional settings. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to look for the option that says developer options. Now, once you click on it, you want to turn off developer option. And once you've turned that off, go ahead and basically access GCash and see if that solves the issue. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.